Good afternoon. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. We have another new design. This is a Nanook 920, which is a fairly small case for us. We have two iCharger DX6 and a Meanwell 2000 inside this little bitty case. Everything inside is extremely tight. Everything touches. Zero tolerances. It works. And we're happy with it. Now, if Danny watches this video before he gets the case, he's going to say, where in the world is my upper storage? It's here, we just haven't put it in yet. We're going to offer this case as a naked pro case, which means there's no fancy bling, no accessories, no nothing. It's just a case that you plug in and you charge. And this is what it's going to look like. And poof, an upper storage. So we like the upper storage because it lets us shrink cases smaller than we typically would be able to. So if you have the storage down here, we got to make sure that we have depth in the case and width. The problem is in these small cases, that big Meanwell's sitting right there. So we could only go this deep with storage. So we have storage now in the upper. Gives plenty of storage. We actually, on our cases, we have Velcro in here, and we put Velcro wraps on our cables and we just stick them to the back. You can also use this kinda as a shelf. We don't recommend heavy stuff, but you know, if you got cables laying out, you can lay them right on here. I wouldn't be taking a 25,000 milliamp LiPo and putting it on there. And remember, when this case is being used, so it's kind of a flat shelf. You can put cables, tools, whatever you want to up there. It's really nice setup. We do a nice stainless steel cable stay, also made in the USA. And this is going to be a really functional case for a customer. And I hope Danny likes it. 4 independent channels, 2 to 6S. It's just going to be a good little powerful case. Nothing else bling. He just wanted functionality. He wanted to be able to plug the case in, charge LiPos, go fly. That's what we gave him. I know typically you don't see all the LiPos and everything plugged into the case, especially all of our connections are really long because we do really tall cases. Excuse the wire nest, but we literally unplug this case to do the video when it finished testing. So we do a charge and discharge, and we check all the voltages on everything, and we just basically unplug the case to do the video and did a video. So sorry about the wire wats, nest, whatever. That makes the voices in my head scream, by the way. And poof, the rat's nest is gone. Rotorcraft RC. Keep it. Wait, I already did that. Never mind. Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge. Sometimes. And poof, this is what it looks like with the storage. So the upper storage actually has a little pull handle. Let me tell you, these chargers are small, but to get them all in this case, it's tight. I mean, everything touches on the inside. We took some really crazy designs, squoze them together, and figured out how to get it to work. And we did, because it works. Now the funny thing is if Danny watches this video before he receives the case, he's going to be like, where's my upper storage? It's here. We just wanted to show the case naked. You know, just no.